Hi, I'm Steve from 2D As-Built Floor Plans. There are many people who do as-built floor plans, but usually they do them as a side business in a company that does many other things, such as architecture. They usually do them the old-fashioned way, taking a measurement, writing it down, and then entering it into a CAD program back at the office. This is a time-consuming, expensive process that leaves openings for human error. At 2D, measuring buildings is all we do. Our staff travels the country constantly, doing nothing but measuring buildings. And when you do it constantly, you get really good at it. We are so passionate about it that we made a major investment in developing our own software, Building Surveyor, specifically designed for doing complex as-builts using only a handheld laser and a pen tablet. It is a quick, non-intrusive, yet incredibly accurate program, and by eliminating 2 steps of costly note-taking and re-entering, has brought the cost of doing as-builts down considerably. If you're looking at different companies for your as-built needs, make sure you ask them how they collect their information and then compare it to our method. You'll see immediately why you can depend on our accuracy and speed. Please take a look at the videos below for more information.